these little clips you see me doing.
Yeah.
A 16-minute on takeoff. Filmed the whole thing.
Oh, nice.
I didn't know about this. So on the landing, it's amazing how we were cruising at 520 miles an hour.
Yeah.
37,000 feet.
Yeah.
As we're coming down, though, our flight speed has dropped
Yes.
a lot.
Yes.
We're 37 miles out, and we're just under 14,000, and he's dropped from 520 to 355. And the video's been going almost 5 minutes. But yeah, we have almost 1,900 subscribers. We have close to, we have 946,000 watched hours.
And what topic is it usually? Or different topics?
Well, we live in Sierra Vista, Arizona. So a lot of our stuff is the historical stuff around us. Like the Naco camp, which is around during the right around the time the Mexican War was going on, with the Mexican Civil War. So we did a study with Professor Orozco. We made a copy of our video, sent it to the federal government. It helped secure a $4.9 million grant so they could rebuild it and keep it. It's the last fort in Arizona. So, and Professor Orozco is really cool. Then we did one on Bisbee Baseball Field, which is the oldest baseball field in America that's still currently being used. Like Babe Ruth.
Is that in your area?
Yeah, Bisbee, Arizona is, they're like the hippie area.
Oh, okay.
Of Tombstone and Sierra Vista. And we do all kinds of historical stuff. Then we've done gold mining, metal detecting. We're the only YouTube guys that were allowed to metal detect a ghost town. And we got to meet with the owner whose family during that time period, owned the town.
Wow.
So we got to meet the descendants. And there's a lot of historical stuff, a lot of just out and about exploring, talking to people. We did a radio station that she lives here, but it aired in South San Francisco. And so she interviewed us for an hour. Yeah, I mean, we've done all kinds of crazy, cool stuff. And we don't do any of that weird cursing or salacious or any of that. You know, I mean, you come across it occasionally with somebody's being a dumbass, you know.
Yeah.
We try not to curse at all. Like, I think the worst I've said is damn and ass. I think that's the worst. You know, we try to keep it as family friendly. Yeah. It's awesome.
Stick to the facts. Yeah. Enjoyment of it.
Recently, there's a gentleman that opened up a co-op, kind of a farmer's market, but it's an actual grocery store. But he rents out different spaces inside his store for people. So we did a story on Manny's Mercado, which is a Mexican store, and they have products from Mexico that nobody else in the area sells. So it kind of makes him like a one of a kind, which is awesome. Because I love Mexican food.
Yeah.
I mean, who doesn't?
That's the best.
And we're only about 17 miles out now. Would you yell at your husband driving this fast?
Yep.
Oh, they turned it off.